Hi friends, are you new to stock market? Then you must really know about a website called Money Control. Just go to Google and type Money Control. So, this is the website of Money Control. Here you will find all the recent newses, all the important stocks that are in focus today. Like you can see the Sensex, Nifty, crude oil, Nasdaq, and all the important stocks and their uptrend, downtrend. What are their percentage of shares that have increased? How much they have decreased? All those data you can find it over here. If you want to find anything in specific, like for example about Tata Motors, all you have to type is go to the search box and click and type Tata Motors. So click on this Tata Motors. Now you will find over here whether it is BSE and NSE value. You can check the previous day close, previous price, and all other data whichever you want. For example, if you want to look at the chart, you can look it over here. You can change it to 1 day or 1 week, 1 month, 5 year, like the whole entire data. And you can go to this and you can see the whether the technical rating which they have given for it, whether it's bullish or if it's trending or not, you can see that. And the pivot levels, and you can see the P by E value, book value, dividend value, and market capital. And if you scroll down further, you can see all the news and data about Tata Motors. Then when you come down, you can see its consolidated and standalone financial data. You can see quarterly, half yearly. You can also see balance sheets. Then you can see the price of NSE and click on BSE. You will find it over here. This is just the today's market of Nifty 50, Sensex and all. If you want to see the dividend which they have given, just click on dividends. So there are currently no dividends being available for Tata Motors for this year. And you can see the holding pattern, whether how much the company is holding, how much the foreign investors are holding, direct investment, domestic investment, sorry. And you can see their peers also, like Eicher Motors and other company. So it's just a basic website for you to access any data which is available in a complete format. And you can also see the global indices also, like US market, Europe markets, Asian markets, commodity. You can also see whether foreign investment is there, domestic investment activity, dollar values, and the world market news in this website. So I highly recommend anyone who's new to stock market to go to this Money Control website. You can also download this in Play Store. The link will be provided in the description box. You can download it for your mobile phone or you can use it in your laptop also. You can see the values are being updated timely. Like whenever you can see the market is still open over here, so the values will keep on updating, so you can get a accurate value immediately in this. Thank you.